Hi everybody, this is Ten Kurali. Today I am going to take about synthetic fibers for class 8 children. Okay, we know that children, we know that human being need some basic needs. What are that? No, food, shelter and what is the food, shelter and clothes. Very important for human beings, especially all the living things need that food and shelter, but especially for human beings need clothes. Why we are wearing the clothes? Because to protect our body from cool weather and hot summer and another one thing, what is no, insects. We can protect our body from that. Okay, so for that we can wearing the clothes. Where do we get the clothes? We know the children, where do we get the clothes? We can get the clothes from fibers. Okay, we can get the cloth from fibers. About that fibers only we can learn in this lesson. We know that fibers. What are the fibers? What are the fibers? We can know that there are two kinds of fibers is there. One is natural fibers, another one is synthetic fibers. Before itself you should know that fibers. What is meant by fibers? Fibers are a thin strand like structure which is used to make a fabric. Fabric is nothing but cloths. Okay, so about that only, that fibers only we should learn that in this lesson. Okay, there are two kinds of fibers. One is natural fibers, another one is synthetic fibers. Already we learned in the previous class about natural fibers. Natural fibers. What is meant by natural fibers? We are getting from natural fibers from plants and animals. Which plant we can get that plants and animals? Okay, cotton. We know that cotton. During the summer season we can wear these, we can prefer cotton cloths. Then another one thing, what is that? No, linen. Linen, it's also get from the flax plant. This is also one kind of plant fibers. Except this, another also one is that, what is that? No, jute. Sanal abdin solvang. That also coming from the jute plant. That we already studied in previous class, I think so, in 6th standard. Okay, then another one thing, what is no, animal fibers. There are two animal fibers there. One is silk, another one is wool. Okay, silk can get from silkworm. We know that silkworm. Pattu puchin solluvala nama, that one. Okay, silk we can get from silkworm. Wool we are getting from sheep. Semari adun solluvala. Okay, that's that. So these two are called as natural fibers. So natural fibers classified into two. What are that? So one is plant fibers, another one is animal fibers. Okay, next one, what is that? No, about plant fibers. We know that plant fibers, I told that no, cotton, linen, jute. Okay, cotton, linen and jute. So plant fibers, cotton. Cotton fibers is obtained from cotton plant. We know that it is a traditional fibers. We can use most of us in that textile industry, especially it is in that, you know that Coimbatore, Coimbatore, Tirupur, that are all always famous for the cotton industries. We know the children. Okay, linen. Next one is what is a linen. Linen we can get from flax plant. Flax plant, that is also one kind of plant, flax plant. This is also similar to cotton fabric like that. It's very lightweight. We can wear, feel very cool and that one. That's one. Okay, it feel our body very cool. That's why. The next one, what is that? No, jute. Jute also I told that no, jute we can get from jute plant. Sanal abdin solranga. It is used to make bags, gunny bags, then purse, that are all, then mats, floor mats and all. Okay, so the jute is used for that one. Okay, these three are called as plant fibers. The next one is what is that? No, animal fibers. Animal fibers, silk and wool. Okay, silk. I told that no, silk we can get from silkworm, especially silkworm. Silk is obtained from that mulberry silkworm. Okay, already these also we can study in 7th standard itself, I think so. Okay, silk we can get from, we can obtain from silkworm, pattu puchi abdin solvangale, that only. Then another one thing, what is that? No, wool. Wool we are getting from sheep. Okay, wool, silk already we know that silk is very lustrous. Okay, paakave romba shiny ah irukum. Okay, all the time ladies, especially ladies like this silk cloth. You know the children, silk, pattu pavada chatta podnona, we are going to any function, marriage or any there means no, during the Pongal, especially Pongal season we can wearing this, prefer this silk cloths. Then another one thing, what is no, wool. Wool we are getting from sheep. Okay, not even only sheep. We can get that wool from that yak, then even camel also. Okay, so many kinds of animal, not even sheep only there. Okay, sheep only. So sheep also. Is it when we prefer that woolen cloths, we can wear during that winter season. to keep our body warm, because during the winter season very cool, no Kanna. So that's why that time what happens, no, we can keep our body cool, warm. That's why we can wear this woolen cloths. So we can get that wool from, what is that? Sheep. See that the man shearing that, cut that flesh of that, clutch the fur of the sheep. Then silk, silkworm. This is called that silkworm. We can get the silkworm from that. Silk from that silkworm. Pattu puchi appdi solluvalle namba, that one leader. Okay, can get that silkworm. So these two fibers are called as animal fibers. So both plant fibers as well as animal fibers we can together we can call as natural fibers, because both are getting from that naturally happen. Naturally we can getting from plants and animals. Fibers we are getting from naturally we can get from plants and animals. That fibers we can call as plant fibers. Plants and animals. So we can call as natural fibers. Naturally we can get that. Okay. So these are all natural fibers already we studied in previous classes. Now in this lesson we should learn about synthetic fibers. What is meant by synthetic? Synthetic is nothing but man-made. The fibers which are made by man, that kind of fibers we can call as synthetic fibers. About that only we should learn in this chapter. Okay, synthetic fibers, we know that how it is made means, no, synthetic fibers made by chemicals. All the chemicals nowadays we are wearing, so every day in our everyday life we can using the chemicals, even that soap, shampoo, even we are wearing the cloths. Nowadays we are wearing synthetic fibers only, not even cotton, jute, we are not wearing that one. Okay, polyester row, nylon row, then rayon cloth we are wearing that, velvet cloth we are wearing that, silk ellame pathina kaana pochu. Nowadays we are wearing synthetic cloths only we are wearing. So about that only synthetic fibers we are getting from chemicals. So then properties also we should know that. So why we are wearing synthetic fibers? Why means because it is what is called long duration. ரொம்ப நாள் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கலாம். We can use easily, we can carry easily. Okay, and that's why it is, but what happen means, no, it is poor absorbent. That is a disadvantage of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers வந்து washable da, durable da, okay, easily washable da, durable da, we can use carry also, we can wear carry also. But what is the reason means only one disadvantage. What is that? No, it is poor absorbent. It is not absorb the sweat, because we know that human body during the summer season especially our body become wet definitely. So but the synthetic fibers will not get that, it will not absorb the moisture. Then another one thing, what is, no, we are go to near that fire anywhere means, no, definitely it catches fire easily. That's why we cannot prefer synthetic fibers. But nowadays we don't bother about that. நாம வந்து அது பாதரே பண்ணது கிடையாது. ஓகேவா? synthetic fibers because it's easy, very cheap. ரொம்ப சீப்பா இருக்கு. சில்க் உள்ளலாம் விட பாத்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு காட்டன்லாம் விட பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த synthetic fibers ரொம்ப சீப்பா இருக்கு. ஈஸியா நம்ம வாஷ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஈஸியா கேரி பண்ணலாம். because nowadays it's a competitive world. ஹரியப்பா இருக்கு. நம்ம பாத்தீங்கன்னா வீட்டுக்கு போணும், ஸ்கூலுக்கு போணும், காலேஜ் போணும், all are working, women and men, so together. So that's why we can prefer this synthetic fibers. So next one about that, what are the synthetic fibers we are going to see in this chapter means, no, polyester, polyamide, terylene, rayon, etc. These are synthetic fibers we should learn in this lesson. So I told that before itself, synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. What is the meaning of synthetic fibers? It is made up of chemicals. Okay, about that only we should learn in this lesson. Then next, what are that? How that synthetic fibers made up of? First one thing, what is that? Synthetic fibers is called as a synthetic polymer. Polymer, what is it? Polymer, you should know that polymer. Polymer, what is it? No, a small, what is that polymer? No, synthetic fibers chain of small chemical units. That chemical units called as monomer. Monomer, M-O-N-O-M-E-R, small unit. These monomer formed, joined together, it form a polymer. That one, okay, a polymer. Then how that these process happen means, no, the process of combining small polymers to join a large polymer. That process we can call as polymerization. So all the synthetic fibers are called as synthetic polymer. Okay, so how the polymer will make that? No, polymer, before that we should know about monomer. Each small unit, okay, a substance which is have that small unit, no, that small unit called as monomer. These monomers, number of monomers joined together, it form as polymer. Mono means nothing but single. Mono means what is the meaning of single. Then it joined together, it form as a monomer, it form as polymer. Poly means no many monomers that when joined together. So what is name of the process means no, that process we can call as polymerization. The combination of small monomers joined together to form a polymer. That process we can call as polymerization. Very important in this lesson. So how the synthetic fibers made up of means no, by through that synthetic polymer. Before we should know that polymer, before we should know about what is meant by monomer. Monomer is a single unit, a substance which is made up of a small single unit called as monomer. So many large number of monomers joined together, it form as polymer. Okay, that process we can call as polymerization. By through this polymerization only, all the synthetic fibers made up of. So first we should know about that rayon. Okay, rayon is one kind of synthetic fiber. Okay, first this is prepared. How it is prepared? No, it is prepared from cellulose. Ma'am, cellulose means no natural only, ma'am. How it is, ma'am? Rayon synthetic சொல்றீங்க. அப்ப cellulose வந்து natural polymer. How it is happen means no, because they are add some chemical to the cellulose to form the rayon. So that's why rayon called as a synthetic fiber. So synthetic fiber, rayon is otherwise called artificial silk. Why it is called artificial silk? We know that we can be able to see that silk is very lustrous. What's the lustrous? Shiny. It look appearance, the appearance look shiny. பார்க்கவே பளபளன்னு இருக்கும் நமக்கு. So that's why we can eager to wear that one, silk. Okay, so that why, so silk is obtained from silkworm, but the same as well as appearance, the same as well as for that rayon. Those that while we can call as rayon called as artificial silk, but it not absorb. So நம்ம முன்னாடி சொன்ன மாதிரி synthetic fiber நாலே it did not absorb the water, absorb the moisture, but this rayon is comfortable to wear. Easier comfortable use பண்ணிக்கலாமா, because it absorb the moisture, absorb பண்ணிக்குமா easier, then it can easily dyed. What is mean dyed? Making colors. Nowadays we are prefer so many colors. Red color, green, blue, pink, yellow, so many colors available there. Okay, even English colors also there, purple, violet, that are all okay. So many colors available for that. You can, by using that dyeing only you can make the color into cloths into colors. So that's why, so that rayon dyed easily with vivid colors. Vivid means no different colors. Okay, then next one, what are the properties? Innala properties in the rayon ku irukku appdin solittu pathina, we can able to see that. Before that, properties of rayon. So it easily dyed. Dyed means what I told, colored. We can give the colors, no, that way we call as dyed. We can woven into cloth, then it will drapes well. Easier நம்ம எழுதா வந்துரும் அந்த மாதிரி, அதுதான் drapes. Okay, then next one, it is lustrous. Already I told that it is otherwise called as artificial silk. Why it is called as artificial silk? Because it is lustrous. Look, lustrous means shiny like a silk. So that's why we can call as artificial silk. Then it is good absorbent of இருக்கிற அந்த synthetic fiber லே இதுதான் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா this only absorb that moisture. நம்ம ஸ்வெட் ஆகும்போது மாய்ஸ்ட் நம்ம பாடியில இருந்து ஸ்வெட் ஆகும் இல்லையா, அதை அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுமா இந்த rayon cloth. Okay, so these are the properties of the rayon. What is the first one? It easily dyed, we can woven into different kinds of cloths, then we can drap well easily. Then another one thing, no, it is lustrous, look, appearance shiny. Then another one thing, what is the important one thing, no, good absorbent of sweat. Sweat நல்லா absorb பண்ணிக்கும். Sweat means what? During summer season especially all are getting wet, sweat. Okay, then what are the uses? எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்றோம் இது அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, okay, so mixed with fiberglass, especially nowadays all that two-wheeler vehicles, they are wearing that helmet. Helmet is very important. Okay, தலை கவசம் உயிர் கவசம் சொல்வாங்க இல்லையா, that one. Okay, helmet. So what is that? No, helmet. So for that fiberglass making this rayon is used. Okay, the next one, what is that? No, it is used to make jackets. Especially there, why are you going to outside, any there means no fire accident, any there means no what, and we are using that jackets and track suits also. Okay, for especially gents. Then surgical dressings also for operation, any there during that, any that surgery there means no, we are using this rayon as a dressing. Then reinforcing nylon tires, nylon car, all that vehicles having the tires, by through the tires only it moving, so they are using to reinforce the nylon, we can use this rayon. Then it is used in the luxury cars, upholstery. Upholstery means what does it know? We know that car மேல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு கவர் போடுவோம் நம்ம to make that to cover the cloth. That cloth we can call as upholstery, especially luxury cloths. Then even that home furnishes, shoba, நம்ம வீட்ல இருக்கிற ஷோபாலையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா we can use that cover to cover the shoba. We can use this rayon cloth. Then it easily drapes, so that will you can use as a curtains, window, then door ல வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் நம்ம. Then another one thing what is it is also already I told that it is very good absorbent of sweat. So that's why you can use as a dress material. Okay, now rayon. Rayon என்னது கண்ணா? Rayon is otherwise called as artificial silk. Okay, so that's a very very important one thing. Then next we can able to see that next one thing, what is that? No, nylon. Nylon, what is that? No, nylon is a polyamide. What is my polyamide? Means nothing but CONH. That group is present in this polymer. Okay, sorry ma'am, polyamide is already I told that poly means no many, single means no mono. So polyamide means no CONH group together, so many CONH together. Amide group வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா CONH. So these CONH group together formed as a polymer. That polymer we can call as nylon. Very strongest synthetic plastic. We know that nylon vessels and all, nylon koda அப்படிலாம் சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம. Okay, even nylon tumbler, nylon plate, that are all we can use that. We can easily mold into any shape. எந்த shape வேணாலும் இத மாத்திக்கலாம் நம்ம. Okay, so then it is very strong and easy to dye. Dye, already I told that dye means what? It can give that different colors. Okay, then nylon fibers do not absorb water easily. Before that I told that rayon is good absorbent of sweat, but these nylon not absorb the water, Then it is elastic and hence highly durable, like a rubber band. Band எப்படி இருக்கும் பண்ணுக்கு stretch ஆகும் இல்லையா? Like the same as well as nylon. நம்ம rubber bands எல்லாமே make பண்றது these nylon only. It is very stretchable, flexible also. So that's why we are using this nylon. While wherever that we are using that flexible, any stretching means no, we can using this nylon cloth. Okay, so nylon is a, what is that nylon called? It is a polyamide. Okay, we can mold into any shape. எந்த shape na மாத்திக்கலாம். Very elasticity, then very highly durable. ரொம்ப நாள் உழைக்குமா, எவ்வளவு நாள் வேணாலும் உழைக்குமா. So that kind of nature it has. Okay, then next one, what are the properties of the nylon? We can able to see that properties of nylon. I told that it is toughest elastic. Already I told the toughest elastic. Elastic means like a rubber band. All the rubber band made up of these nylon only. Then high tensile strength. Tensile strength means what is no? Easy வளைச்சிக்கலாம். Nowadays we are using the scale, rubber band, anything. All that so many materials made up of these nylon plastics only. Nylon is one kind of plastic also. Okay, then next one, it is slightly water absorbent. It dries quickly, so that why we can use this nylon in the swimwear. Swimwear the suits la use பண்ணிப்பாங்க, because what is it means no, it easily dried, water absorb பண்ணாது. That's why we are using this in these swimwear suits. Then it is can be molded into fibers மட்டும் brushes அதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. Even sheets and rods also, because it easily flexible, no, so that's why. Then coatings also we can use that. Even it is resistant. We know that all the plastic resistant to grease, moth means what? Insects. Even it is not absorb the oil, then fungus and other pests also. எந்த insect நால affect ஆகாது, எவ்வளவு வேணாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். That's why it is very durable. Okay, the next one, what is it? No, it can be made into pellets or powdered. Pellets means what is no, like a camper வீட்ல நம்ம கற்பூர பாத்திரப்ப எப்படி pellets இருக்குல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி தான் pellets னு சொல்லுவோம். அந்த மாதிரி மாத்தலாம். Then even we can make it into powder also. ஈஸியா powder மாத்திக்கலாம் இத. Then it is lustrous and easy to wash. Compared to that rayon, it is very less only, but it look like lustrous. கொஞ்சம் வந்து shiny-ஆ இருக்கும், ஈஸியா வாஷ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So these are the properties, special properties of nylon. Nylon special என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, it's high tensile strength. ஈஸியா வளையும், then easily dry also. ஈஸியா வந்து dry ஆயிடும். It not absorb the water. Then it will not affect by the moth. Mothனா என்னது? Insects. Okay, wherever we are using that flexible எங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா அந்த இடத்துல இந்த நைலானை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். These fibers we can use that. Then where are you using that? See, I told that now so many uses of the nylon compared to the rayon. So here stretchable wears, then seat belts, நம்ம வண்டியில யூஸ் பண்றோம் இல்லையா, seat belts. Then upholstery, I already told that it's a cloth, over cloth of that seat. Okay, a car, luxury cars. Then ropes, especially nylon ropes. It's very strong. That's why we are using the ropes to pull that mountain raiders. Mountain raiders என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, மேல மலை மேல ஏறும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, we are using these ropes made up of nylon. Then reel thread also, thread make பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. Then thread, then sleeping bags. all that we know that no cushion bags and all we can use that. Then swimming is already I told that why we are in this nylon in swimming, yes, because it is not absorb the water, then it dries quickly, easy and quick and dry aayidnala we are using this swimming wears, even raincoats, yes, because already I told that it's not absorb the water. Then track shoots, then fishing nets and fishing lines, because it's very flexible, we can make it to easily. Then tensile strength also there, okay, easiya valayum adhe pola eppadi vena maathikalam namba. So that's why we are using this nylon more compared to that rayon, okay, nylon. These are the uses of nylon. Making sarees also easy, okay, net sarees la solluvala namba adella we are using this nylon. So nylon used in many wear, okay, even that sleeping bags, upholstery, then swimwear, that are all using that robes, okay. Then next one thing, what is that? No, next synthetic polymer is polyester. Polyester, English no, நம்ம polyester சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம. When you go to that, you can ask your grandma also. Polyester cloth, definitely it will popular only. Polyester, that will be polyester. How this polyester make? Already it means no. Alcohol and organic acid react together to form this polymer. This is also I told that poly, adile irukku name la irukku polyester. Poly means no ester, poly means no many ester molecules join together makes a polyester. Ester means what is that? No, how do the ester makes that? Alcohol and organic acid react together to form these compounds. Such compound we can call as esters. These ester molecules join together we can form as polyester. So what are the different names for these brand names? நம்ம கடையில வந்து போய் கேட்கும்போது polyester, terylene சொல்வாங்க, Dacron, terene and polyester. These are the different names for the polyester. Terylene, Dacron, terene and polyester. Okay, so before that, this polyester, what is the smell of the? No, it look like fruit smell. நம்ம பழ ஸ்மெல் இருக்குல அந்த மாதிரி வருமா, different smell வருமா. Okay, this one. So polyester, ester means what is the meaning of that? Alcohol and organic acid react together, it forms that ester. These ester molecules join together, so many ester molecules join together we can form as polyester. Poly means many, it is also a synthetic polymer. What are the different names of that polyester? Tell me that. Terylene, Dacron, terene and polyester. These are the different names, we can brand that. ஒவ்வொரு இடத்துலயே பார்த்தா ஒவ்வொரு நேம் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா நம்ம, அந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு இந்த பாலியஸ்டருக்கு டிஃபரெண்ட் நேம்ஸ் இருக்கா, பிராண்ட் நேம்ஸ். Terylene, Dacron, terene and all. Okay, what are the properties of these polyester means? No, we can take that. What are the properties of that? It is resistant to pests and chemicals. Pest means no, insects. Okay, especially in that agriculture field la irukum namakku pest and chemicals. It dries quickly, quick ah vandina idu namakku dry aidum. These also. Then another one thing, it is easy to wash, it will not shrink. Shrink ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா என்னது, இப்போ நம்ம காட்டன்னா கண்டிப்பாக அயன் பண்ணி தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். சில்கா we can iron and use only, but these polyester not, you can make it will not shrink, சுருங்கவே சுருங்காது. Okay, we can easily wash also, it will not stretch, சுருங்காது. Then another one thing, no, it is permanent crease if heated pressed. Okay, permanent என்ன மாறிடும் அப்படியே. Okay, that's why this is special of this one. Okay, so properties of this polyester, another one thing, no, it is very tough, light weight and elastic. ரொம்ப லைட் வெயிட்டா இருக்கும் நமக்கு. சில்க்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் அதிகமா இருக்கும். Cotton okay, little bit okay, but these polyester is a synthetic polymer, we can touch, means a very light weight and elastic also. So that's the special of this polyester. Then what are the uses of these polyester? We are using it especially, see that, magnetic audio and video cassette. Okay, to make that video. Floppy disk, nowadays now we don't use a floppy disk, but before we are using that floppy disk. Nowadays we can use a pen drive use பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டோம். முன்னாடிலாம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா floppy disk, video cassettes, making that audio, then we can sing the songs and all. So that we can use this polyester, even that it is highly suitable for the sarees, shirting, suiting and draperies. Even the curtains we can make these, use this polyester. Then another one thing, what is the use of that? No, it is also used to fiberglass of the helmets. Helmets சொன்னா முன்னாடி ஃப்ரண்ட்ல அந்த fiberglass make பண்றதுக்கு இதை யூஸ் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. Then even it is one special thing, what is it? No, it is a protective sheets and hulls in boats. We know that boats always sailing in that water only. Okay, so under the path, plastic வந்து எப்பவுமே water absorb பண்ணாது. I told that, no, polyester also not absorb the water. So that's why that hulls of the boats is made up of these polyester. This is the special use of the polyester. Okay, and then next finally we can able to see that what is that? No, finally we can able to do acrylic. Acrylic is that another synthetic polymer. Acrylic is often used as a substitute for wool. Already I told that wool we are getting from sheep. It's very costly also. No, இப்போ ஒரு woolen cloth எடுக்குனா we cut that fur of the sheep. Okay, how it is hurt, no, that animal. So it's very costly. Okay, wool வந்து ரொம்ப costly. So instead of that one, we can use this acrylic because acrylic is a synthetic. So it's very cheap. ரொம்ப cheap-ஆ இருக்கு எப்பவுமே வந்து. So acrylic fibers are strong and wrinkle resistant. ரொம்ப வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கும், அதே போல் சுருங்கவே சுருங்காது, ரிங்கிளே ஆகாது. தட்ஸ் வை தென் இட் இஸ் டு வாஷ், ஈஸியாக வாஷ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். dries quickly, then it is also resistant to the same as well as oils, chemicals, and even it can exposure to sunlight. சன்லைட்டில் நம்ம உணர்த்திக்கலாம். நம்ம ஈவன் இப்போ சில்க்கு காட்டன்லாம் போயிட்டு திரும்பி உணர்த்தினா சில்க்கு நம்ம வந்து இது பண்ண முடியாது. உள்ளனும் பார்த்தேன் அதே போல் ஈஸியானது சன்லைட்டில் எக்ஸ்போஸ் பண்ண முடியும். பட் தீஸ் அக்ரைலிக் யூ கேன் ஈஸிலி எக்ஸ்போஸ் டு த சன்லைட். ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை வி ஆர் யூசிங் தட் இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் wool. உள்ள வந்து ஈஸியாக ட்ரை ஆகாது. ஓகே, நம்ம வந்து ஈவன் தட் எஸ்பெஷலி வி ஆர் வியரிங் தட் உள்ளன் இன் winter season. Winter season already we know that the climate is very cool. How the dress we can wash that means no, we can dry it, take time, 2 days ஆகும் அது மாதிரி. ஓகே, ஆனால் வந்து அந்த இடத்துல நம்ம we are using this acrylic means no, instead of that wool we can use this acrylic means no, it dries quickly. So that's why acrylic instead of okay wool. Then next, what are the properties of acrylic? It is also the same as well as it is resistant to moths. Then soft, it's like the wool. Wool எப்படி ரொம்ப சாஃப்டாக இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி லைட்டாக இருக்கும். Then it is very light and washable, durable also. ரொம்ப நாள் உழைக்கும், அதே போல் ஈஸியாக நம்ம வாஷ் பண்ணிடலாம். பிகாஸ் நம்ம வந்து எப்பவுமே வந்து நம்ம வந்து வாஷ் பண்ணுறது கிடையாது. Nowadays we are wearing that. Who's washing clothes in your home? Mother? No, definitely not that. Washing machine only. Okay, so that one strong and stain resistant. So that also we can easily cloth. So அந்த இடத்துல நம்ம silk woolen cloth எடுத்து போய் நம்ம washing machine போடுறது பதிலா we are using this acrylic. It's very washable. ஈஸியா வாஷ் பண்ணிடலாம். Then strong and stain resistant. Okay, ஈஸியா எதனா வந்து stain ஆயிடுச்சுனா ஈஸியா you can wash that. Then it is also available in sheets also, acrylic sheets. Then you can dye it in different colors. எந்த கலர் வேணாலும் நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம மாத்திக்கலாம். So these are properties of the acrylic. Then next one, what are the uses? Acrylic வேற எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா we can use that acrylic. What are the uses of acrylic? Acrylic, already I told that it is the instead of substitute for the woolen cloth. So it is called as baby wears because it's very soft. ரொம்ப சாஃப்டாக இருக்கனால நம்ம பேபி வியர்ஸ் மேக் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இந்த அக்ரைலிக் கிளாத்தை யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. பிகாஸ் பேபியோட ஸ்கின் வந்து எவ்வளோ சாஃப்டாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி வந்து அந்த சாஃப்ட் ஸ்கின்னை நம்ம மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு we can use this acrylic because it is also soft. So that's why we are using this acrylic for knitting that woolen, especially that for baby during the winter season, because we are withstand our body in winter, but babies not withstand that. Okay, cool. So that's why we are using this acrylic because it is very washable, because it's very soft. Soft arnala easy wash pannala we are using this acrylic. Okay, then wherever you are using this acrylic means no, we are using that artificial fur because already I told that natural fur, what is that? No, sheep we are getting from the woolen. Okay, we are getting that wool from sheep. Then blankets, carpets also we are using this acrylic. Then it is also used to cover the automobile lights முன்னாடி front light, head light, that are all used there. Then surgical tools also we can use this acrylic. These are the special use of acrylic. Okay, acrylic இன்னொரு நேம் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, baby wool அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. Because it is instead of using this woolen cloth. Before that I told that no, what is that? Artificial silk, rayon. Rayon is otherwise called as artificial silk because it look like silk. Its appearance look like silk. It's very lustrous. Okay, up to that rayon. So today we can watch that synthetic fibers. What are the synthetic fibers we are watching that? No, rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. These are the important, so many synthetic polymers is there, but these are the very important synthetic polymers we can learn in this lesson. So up to that this lesson getting over. So next class we can able to see that, next one we can able to see that blending fibers. What is a blending fiber? Blending means what is it? No, mixed. ஓகே ஒரு இதோட ஃபைபர் ஒரு ஃபைபரை மிக்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு வாட் ஆப்பான் மீன்ஸ் நோ now we can able to terylene we can blend with cotton that will terry cotton சொல்வாங்க terry cotton cloth it is also used as dress materials then another one thing terylene also mixed with that blend with that woolen we can call as terry wool that also used as a it's a costly woolen cloth substitute நம்ம woolen cloth ரொம்ப காஸ்ட்லியா இருக்கிற இடத்துல இந்த இடத்துல substitute we can use this terry woolen then polyester நம்ம cotton ஒண்ணா சொல்லி polycot that one you can call as polycot then acrylic and wool we can blend பண்ணும்போது we can use that less expensive process make பண்றேன் okay this is a blending is nothing but two fibers mixed together that we can call as blending fibers what are the blending fibers you can tell that terrycot terry wool then polyester together polycotton we can call as polycot then acrylic wool we can call as acrylic wool நம்ம baby wool சொல்லுவோம் okay so these are the blending fibers we are using okay then next one what are the synthetic fibers ஏன் யூஸ் பண்றோம் what is that because very strong ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கனால we are using this we can even heavy things we can easily carry that by using this okay then another one thing what is no it retain their original shape easily shrink ஆகாது ஈஸியா வாஷ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் it's very elastic also elastic இருக்கும் stretched out then it's very soft I told that no acrylic baby wool ரொம்ப சாஃப்ட்டா இருக்கும்னு சொன்னேன்லையா then even we are giving many colors whatever color we need no we can prefer no that colors we can give to that synthetic fibers then cost finally இது ரொம்ப important நம்மளுக்கு cloth ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்பென்சிவா இருந்தா நம்மனால wear பண்ண வாங்க முடியாது கண்டிப்பா okay but we can need wear the cloth definitely different class we all are working all are going outside we need class different color class use பண்ணனும் பாத்தீனா so for that we can need money வேணும் இல்லையா so அது எக்ஸ்பென்சிவ் இருந்தா how can you get that how can you buy that okay but these synthetic fibers very cheap to buy so it's very less expensive that's is special of these synthetic fibers so these are the advantages of synthetic fibers strong இருக்கும் original shape it can then elasticity easier flexible ஆகும் then very soft இருக்கும் we can give the many colors எந்த கலர் வேணாலும் கொடுத்துக்கலாம் finally is very important very cheap less expensive silk போய் வாங்குனா பார்த்தீனா 3000 4000 but synthetic fibers நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் 150 250 ல நம்ம you can easily buy so this is special thing of that synthetic fibers சரி okay advantages சொன்னீங்க கண்டிப்பா வந்து benefits இருக்குதுல advantages இருக்கிற இடத்துல கண்டிப்பா disadvantages இருக்கும் இல்லையா நன்மை இருந்தாலே கண்டிப்பா என்ன இருக்கும் தீமையும் இருக்கும் இல்லையா that's right so disadvantages synthetic fibers what is that no one thing what is that no I told that no before that it will not absorb the moisture not absorb the sweat okay kandipa all the human beings have the sweat in that body so for that what that no but synthetic fibers not suitable for that during the summer season especially because during summer season we can get sweat more so that time we can wear the synthetic cloth mean what happen no skin rashes and all came that some persons having that then it will rough feel romba rough ah irukum okay even we are using that not using these synthetic fibers in especially inner wears use panna mudiyadanaala then it's very especially danger while working in that especially firemen la mother because these synthetic fibers catches fire easily ஒரு நெருப்பு கிட்ட போய்னா ஈஸியா என்ன பண்ணும் fire ஆயிடும் okay that's why we don't use these synthetic fibers while you are using that then cannot be easily ironed because it's very light no iron பண்ணும்போது automatically என்ன melt ஆயிடும் so these are the disadvantages of synthetic fibers so that's why okay we can prefer that natural fibers okay so during that especially fire la vandu நம்ம work பண்ணும்போது okay during that kitchen but nowadays நாம அதெல்லாம் வந்து இப்பலாம் என்ன பண்றது இல்ல சட்டை பண்றது கிடையாது because synthetic fibers are only very cheap ரொம்ப cheap இருக்கனால we are using we can prefer this synthetic fibers so up to that synthetic fibers over okay we know that no synthetic fibers I told that synthetic polymer okay what are synthetic polymers we can learn in this lesson rayon nylon polyester and acrylic 4 synthetic polymers we should learn in this lesson okay so next class we can able to see that about plastic thanks for watching this video